everyone. I'm Michelle Atkinson, and I work here on the product marketing team here at Zendesk. I'm here to chat about the fresh wave of innovations we're rolling out this quarter for AI-powered conversational experiences. In the CX realm, generative AI is one of the most prevalent trends today. According to a recent survey, 82% of customers expect companies to begin implementing generative AI in customer service. And another survey found that 75% of customers expect AI interactions will become more human-like over time. Why is generative AI so popular in CX? Because it has potential to transform the way we interact with customers. Generative AI can be used to create more personalized and engaging customer experiences, automate tasks, and provide insights into customer behavior. That's why this quarter, we're releasing a new set of features that leverages generative AI to help you automate more tasks so you can free up your team to focus on more strategic initiatives, better understand your customers and their needs so you can deliver more personalized and engaging experiences, and also gain deeper insights into customer behavior so you can make more informed decisions about your products and services. To kick things off, we're releasing Generative AI for Knowledge in Early Access, a new feature that helps support teams to craft innovative knowledge-based content to boost self-serve. Building content for knowledge base is hard. We've all experienced writer's block, right? Knowing what you'd like to create, but not sure where to start or what it looks like fleshed out. Well, generative AI for knowledge base aims to eliminate the time spent on that process, giving your teams a head start on crafting articles and inspire creativity, while also boosting self-serve and reducing the number of tickets your agents need to tackle. With generative AI for knowledge, your team can start with just a few sentences or bullet points, and within just a few clicks, use the Expand tool to accelerate the creation of Help Center articles. While expanding on the text, you can also use the Tone Shift tool, which allows the article to take on a specific tone, friendly or formal, to create a unified brand across the Help Center. A strong knowledge foundation doesn't just benefit other parts of your service organization, such as your agents, it also plays a pivotal role in enhancing your bots. So today, we're thrilled to introduce Generative Replies for Bots, a new feature now available in early access. This brand new functionality harnesses the power of AI to craft natural human-like bot conversations directly from your existing knowledge base. When users interact with a bot equipped with generative replies, the AI seamlessly taps into your knowledge base, summarizing and generating responses that are not only relevant, but also engaging and informative. And the best part is that you don't have to do a thing. Your teams now have the ability to deploy bots at scale that can answer nearly any question without having to build and train them from scratch. But that's not it. We know safeguards are important when it comes to generative AI. So your teams will be able to choose when they want to generate answers for specific topics, giving them full control over the process. And that's Generative Replies for Bots, helping provide customers with faster and more accurate answers to their questions and increasing your organization's CSAT scores. Now that we've talked about how Generative Replies for Bots can help you to create bots that can answer nearly any question, let's talk about how you can elevate your bot conversations even further with Bot Persona. This quarter, we're releasing Bot Persona in early access, a new feature that allows you to adjust your bot's tone to make it more playful, friendly, or formal. This can help you to create a bot that is more consistent with your brand's messaging and that will resonate with your target audience. Once you have set your bot's persona, you can deploy it everywhere without having to review every response. This allows you to maintain service consistency across regions, delight customers with a more conversational bot, and enhance your brand consistency, freeing up more time, creating more engaging interactions, and ultimately improving your customer experience. All right, what about the time you actually need to build a bot flow? Well, we're also making that process a lot more efficient with the release of Intent Suggestions. This feature uses AI to help you identify what topics to build flows for based on analysis of past conversation data, looking at patterns and trends. For example, if you see that your customers are frequently asking the same question about your return policy, Intent Suggestions can recommend that you create a flow to answer that topic. This can help your teams to save time by knowing exactly what to automate, significantly cutting time on your bot building process and providing more accurate service. Next up, we have language and sentiment analysis now available for messaging channels. This means that your messaging channels can now understand not just the intent, but also the language and sentiment of customer interactions. What's the impact? It's huge. This update ensures that you have more meaningful conversations with your customers with deeper information about not just what they're saying, but how they're saying it. With language and sentiment analysis, every interaction happening via messaging becomes a personalized experience. Customers get support that's tailored to their needs and emotions, making it effortless and enjoyable, while also increasing overall business efficiency. Next up, we're bringing generative AI for voice as well. Call wrap-up tasks can be a major time drain for agents and slows them down. But what if there was a way to automate these tasks, freeing up time to spend on customer service and respond back to customers faster? Well, I'm excited to announce the release of Generative AI for Voice. Generative AI for Voice transcribes and summarizes calls in real time with just one click. These can be saved within the customer conversation where agents can easily access them. By automating call wrap-up tasks, these capabilities can free up agents to spend more time on customer service and respond back faster. This can reduce handle times, increase agent productivity, and improve customer satisfaction. Generative AI for Voice is available in early access. We've spent a lot of time discussing how generative AI can help you elevate your CX and enhance your overall satisfaction, right? Well, let's talk about a new enhancement that allows you to better track and receive customer feedback to improve your customer experience and boost your bottom line. Customizable CSAT is a new tool that allows you to tailor your CSAT survey for your service conversations. With this big update, you're able to personalize your CSAT survey questions to make it more relevant to your business and customers, and choose rating scales depending on your needs. By gathering the specific feedback you need, you can identify areas where your organization can improve and make informed decisions about your customer service operations. Now that we've reviewed these new features, let's see a few of them in action.
Meet Finley, the customer service manager of an online dog apparel and accessory shop, Fetch Fashions. Fetch Fashions just recently launched a new loyalty program for customers, and it's got the tails wagging. Due to this new launch, they've predicted an increase in tickets. Finley knows it's important for his team to focus on the new loyalty program. He realizes that he needs to act quickly to implement a plan to take care of other common inquiries related to sizing, returns, and ship timing. Finley needs to act fast to ensure their customers are able to self-serve and get the answers they need in a quick turnaround. Finley wants to enhance the Fetch Fashions knowledge base by adding more articles he noticed were missing, related to sizing, returns, and shipment timing. Let's take a look at how he creates that for their shipment processing article. He starts with just a few bullet points on the shipping policy and timing. Then, utilizes the expand feature to flesh out the article, accelerating the enhancement of their help center. Finley likes variety, so he decides to generate another version of the article, so he prompts it to generate another option. He selects the best one, saves the article, and is ready to publish. And within just a few clicks, Generative AI for Knowledge has improved the Fetch Fashions Help Center and freed up a lot of Finley's time. Finley wants to get ahead of requests and wants the bots to be responsible for the common questions their customers ask. But he doesn't have a designated person to build the flow. So he decides to let Generative Replies for Bots do the heavy lifting. He wants to engage with customers in a friendly, conversational manner and not have a bot that sounds robotic. In order to do that, he utilizes generative AI available within Zendesk Bots. He double-clicks into Fetch Bot and turns on Generate a Reply, which will craft a response to the customer by looking through their pre-existing content from their knowledge base. Finley has set up a conversation bot that automatically understands customer intent and is able to find the right information from the Fetch Fashions Help Center. Generative Replies for Bots helps Fetch Fashions to get their bots set up in little time, eliminating maintenance and training. Finley wants to ensure the bot is an extension of the Fetch Fashions brand, so he applies a playful persona to the bot and adds emojis for the bot for the extra smiles. With this setup, Fetch Fashions customers will now have the ability to get the accurate answers they need with a human-like experience. Ashton, a devoted pet parent, found the perfect sweater for her furry friend at Fetch Fashions. Before she makes a purchase, she needs to ensure it will arrive on time for an event. Ashton is greeted by Fetch Fashions bot and asks when she can expect her item to arrive. Pulling from the article that Finley created, Generative Replies for Bots finds the answer to Ashton's inquiry. The bot responds and informs Ashton that she can expect her sweater to be delivered by Thursday and asks if she needs additional assistance. Ashton responds and lets the bot know that her questions were answered. Ashton is happy with her experience today and will surely be coming back to the bot for help in the future. As we can see, Generative Replies for Bots and Generative AI for Knowledge strengthens Fetch Fashion's self-serve to allow customers to get more accurate, human-like experiences, accelerates the process of creating Help Center articles, and overall increases their customer satisfaction.
With these new capabilities, you can create more informative and engaging knowledge-based articles, deploy bots that can answer nearly any question, route customers more accurately, and gather the specific feedback you need to improve your customer service. For additional information on all of these innovations and to sign up for our Generative AI Early Access program to start utilizing these features, be sure to check out the resources below. And that's a wrap on what's new with AI-powered conversational experiences. Thank you for joining us today.